Alright, so this is going to be a video of the garage door openers in my grandmother's new house. This one here is a LiftMaster model 1255 LM. And that one over there is a LiftMaster 1245 LM. This is the best light I can get because those two are dead. This one's on I think a 14x7 90s Wayne Dalton 9100, I think. It's been a while since I've uploaded a garage door video on here, and I do have the remote for this one. There's the beautiful 81 LM. I love this thing. See, 81 LM was made in 1994. And so is this operator, I believe. Go focus. No remote to this one, unfortunately. But I did a few things to this one yesterday. First was I realigned the sensor over here in the S Generation 1 sensors because it was out of alignment and the LED on it was flickering. So I just fixed that. I also put a new light bulb in it because the old one was burnt out. And here is the old one. And I don't think I still have the step ladder in here, do I? To show the model. Oh well. But it's got an LED in it now. I also reprogrammed this remote because for some reason it wasn't programmed before. So it's now programmed. And I also reprogrammed the keypad because the keypad wasn't working. And it was the code that the previous owners had, so I just made it to a code that my grandma wanted. And here's the wall buttons. This is for the big door, this is for the door over there. That door, I believe, is in, I want to say an 8x9, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm pretty sure it's an 8x9. And as you can see, as professional, they cut off the door arm, as you can see. Nice long release rope. So, yeah, pretty old Wayne Daltons and pretty nice operators. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and give this one a run. Not too loud, actually. Light lens just rattled a little bit because I didn't tighten the screws down all the way. Pretty nice. It is really, really cold out right now. And here's the keypads, clicker keypad. And over here is the other door. No keypad for it. So we'll go ahead and do a nice outside view out here. And yeah, there's still snow on the ground. And here we go. Great response time with the remote. Yeah, it does have some chain slack and slap. This is all ice right now. Here's our tree, Christmas tree. So we'll go ahead and punch in the code. Classic sound of a chain drive. And as you can see, this water here is now ice. It's a hazard. But yeah, these are green learn button operators. As seen on the back, million codes. These are awesome. I'll go ahead and do a sensor test. There's geese. Blinks 10 times. I don't feel like testing the force on it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. Using the 41A 4166. Nice classic sound of a chain drive. Now this one's a lot quieter because it was never really used that much. So we will go ahead and give this one a run. I might get stuck here. Sometimes it'll get stuck on something up there and it'll trip the up force, but that didn't happen this time. It only happens sometimes. I think when it's warmer out. And yeah, the light bulb was burned out. Oh well, there's the sticker up there. The old Ford. I might get a Chamberlain 950 EVC for this. I'm actually doing an outside view. If I can prop the camera up properly. It's probably as good as it's gonna get. So, just bear with me. And as you can see, it actually got stuck that time. You didn't really see, but it did get stuck this time. I don't know what it's catching on, but it catches on something, but it's no big deal. And usually what I do is I just start it going down and then reverse it. And it works. We'll go ahead and do a sensor test. Reverse is good. And if there was a light bulb in that, it would blink 10 times. So, I'll go ahead and run it down. And there you go. The water heater kicked on. I'll go ahead and give this one more run, actually. Oh, and first I'll do a balance test of the doors. This one's balanced pretty well. Stays right there pretty good. And we actually do that so I can re-engage. stays really good right there. It gets stiffer towards the top. And the light just timed out. I'll bring it down. And I need to run it in order to re-engage it. Oh. Remote likes to glitch out at the software. Alright. And I'll go ahead and do a bounce test of this door. And the top panel does bump the spring bracket. It doesn't stay right here though. Stays here. Stays here. And I'm not going to push it all the way up because I can't bring it down then. So bring it back down here. And I will pull the handle to re-engage it. I'll just move this up there. Now let's see if I can re-engage it. There you go, it's re-engaged. So I will go ahead and give this one last run using the 81 LM. Very nice. Love these classic operators. And now the sun's out. Run it back down one last time. Nice. And I'll go ahead and give this one one more run since I forgot to do the sensor test on it. Actually, no, I did do the sensor test on it. What am I thinking? I almost forgot. Alright. I got stuck. Yeah, it does that. It's kind of an issue. I'll have to see what it gets stuck on. But right now I'm not really worried about that. Alright, we will run it down last time and that'll be it. I tripped the sensor on accident because I bumped into this stupid thing. I'm trying to get a different angle. Yeah, let's get the angle from here. Alright, and that'll be it for the garage door openers in my grandma's new house. So, thanks for watching.